The Terrazzo Contractor collaborated with mixed media artist Marielle Plaisir to create an intricate epoxy terrazzo floor for the airport's public art program. The artist provided a photograph of her design, A Journey, which was transformed into a detailed line drawing and paint-by-number style stencil. The process combined the artistry of the Terrazzo team with the vision of an artist new to the medium, pushing Terrazzo's technical boundaries. Located in a high-traffic walkway connecting Terminal 1 to the Hibiscus Garage, the installation remained accessible to passengers, requiring much of the work to be completed at night. Instead of traditional divider strips, flexible 3/8-inch closed-cell rubber foam cut into 1/2-inch strips allowed the Terrazzo artisans to achieve the design's intricate details. Once one color was poured, the foam was removed, and the adjacent color was poured. On site, the artist collaborated with artisans, manually pouring terrazzo, sprinkling aggregates, and blending over 100 unique colors from just 12 initial formulas. Flowers were poured individually, and the colors were blended before drying to avoid hard lines. Judges praised the freeform creativity, comparing its impressionistic quality to that of a resplendent carpet. A Judge's Choice Art Award for this standout installation at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport goes to Creative Terrazzo Systems of Southwest Ranches, Florida.